but how you commit that really matters. Today, in the presence of God, our family, relatives, and friends, I promise to dance with you with my two left feet. Eat with you every half hour, even if it means more kilometers on the road. To hug you when you're tired, make you smile when you're sad, support you when needed, disappear your hands, and give you that needed push when doubts are getting the better of you. I may have 100,000 reasons to write this vow, but let there only be one to fulfill it. I love you.
I never really thought how we became friends. Actually, I didn't know if you were the one that I first hello or you me. But never did I imagine that you would play a big part of my life even before we were just friends. Because I remember vividly that one night in Boracay. You remember that? You were very a year in smart. And then I just took dancing lessons pala. And then you told me, I love you. Parang lalaki ka na gumana. So, of course, it took me by surprise. And of course, syempre, I did something about it. So I took chant lessons, I took belly dance lessons. So here I am now, I'm a dancer, I'm a belly dancer, all because of you. So here I am now, in front of all our friends, family. I promise to be a good wife and girlfriend. Don't call me wife, okay? I promise to learn how to cook eventually. Yeah, please, whenever I go cooking. I promise to support you all the way. I promise that I'll always be there for you, to give you a hug and a massage every time you're tired. And I promise to let you be who you are, to have your own self. And I'll be there all the way to support you. Well, I can't enumerate everything, pero you know that I love you so much, and I promise that I will always love you forever. Grant us, O Lord, to be one heart and one soul from this day forward. We promise to be true to one another, for better and for worse, in sickness and health, for richer and for poorer, to love and to cherish until death do us part.
And I, with the authority of the church, calling all those here present as witnesses, confirm and bless the vow of marriage which you have contracted in the name of